With the increasing number of coronavirus cases all over the world and China's aggression with all of its neighbors, China's internal think tank has warned Chinese leadership that anti-China sentiment is highest since 1989 Tiananmen Square crackdown. Consequently, Chinese companies and projects are getting serious blows all over the world, most recent one being Thailand's strategically important Kra Canal project. In today's analysis, we are going to discuss about the importance of Kra Canal in modern shifting geopolitics. The idea of canal at the site has been proposed since 16th century and in modern times since 1930s, but has never materialized due to high cost, environmental issues and geostrategic obligations. In the past few years, however, China approached Thai government with the proposal of billions of dollars of loan for building a canal at Kra Isthmus. Since Thailand was for long looking for such an opportunity, they agreed for discussion about the project almost immediately. Now what makes this proposed canal strategically important is of course its location. It is located 1200 kilometers from Strait of Malacca, 2800 kilometers from Sunda Strait and 3500 kilometers from Lombok. Of all, the most important and usable is Strait of Malacca, which is also unfortunately for China a world famous choke point. More than 90% of China's crude oil and more than 60% of China's trade ships passes through this strait, which is controlled by two American allies, Singapore and Malaysia, which means in case of escalation with US or any of these countries, the strait will be blocked and give China an existential threat. And this is why China is looking to work with Thailand to build an alternative route, which not only reduce the distance by 1200 kilometers but also mitigate the unforeseen threat. But the proposed project is not received well by many countries, from global powers like US, India to ASEAN nations. Everybody is having their share of concerns. Even Thailand has expressed their concerns about the economic viability of the canal, considering China's debt-trap diplomacy. Thailand's economic experts raised alarm about $28 billion loan from China. The terms of the proposals designed in a way to give China more benefit than Thailand. In this way, Thailand will never be able to pay the loan back and have to compromise with its sovereignty by leasing the canal to China for few years, like Sri Lanka's Hambantota port. Another concern Thailand has is its Pattani, Yala and Narathiwat provinces, which are hit by extremist movements. A canal from the center of the country will cut separate the region from the Thai mainland. India too expressed its concern that the proposed canal will shift the balance of power highly in favor of China and increase Chinese presence in the Indian Ocean. Considering all the concerns, Thailand on September 2020 declared to involve India, US and Australia into the project. Thai National Power Party MP Sangklod Thipparat, who is handling the parliamentary group for country's Kra Canal project, said that the project will not be handed over only to China. Rather, China, India, Australia and United States will support Thailand to build the canal. This decision is a huge setback for China. Involving other parties into the project means that China will no longer be able to use this canal for military purpose. Thailand too will be at ease as the proposed amount will come from various countries and not from China alone, and Thailand's sovereignty will be intact. It's a win-win for all the parties except one. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. This is Shantanu for Samvad. Thanks for watching.